Hello, once again, you welcome to FTGFx Weekly Market Outlook. And what we do is we analyze the market and share with you potential market moves that you can use as an educational material. It guides you, or you can use that as a guide, okay, in your trading decisions. When I say guide, you can also use Ingot Brokers trading signals as a guide as well. With that one, you log into your Ingot accounts like this, you scroll down to resources, and then at the resource page, you see market analysis, and down just have under market analysis, you see trading signals. Okay, now with that, it tells you the currency pair of USD/CAD, and then it's telling you that this is the entry price. If you want to place a trade, this is where to enter. Your stop loss if the trade is not going your way, your take profit when the trade is going your way, and 2 days is how long you can consider this trading signal. Okay, so you can use Ingot Brokers trading signals, or you can also watch this video and then compare them to your analysis, or make good use of the materials or the content that I'm sharing with you. Now, with analysis, we do technical analysis, fundamental analysis. Before we look at technical analysis, we need to look at fundamental analysis. Okay, so the currencies that we want to trade, within which market would we want to trade in? We want to trade in the forex market, crypto market, commodities markets. Yes, these are the markets I would like us to have a look at. Now, for the forex market, what are the events coming up and how are they going to affect the market in the coming week? Okay, so you come up here, resources, then you scroll down to economic calendar like this. Okay, now with economic calendar, it tells you, the dates and the times that certain events are going to come up. Okay, so you scroll down, then you select on the 13th, that's tomorrow. Okay, let's select from tomorrow to 19th. Okay, that's the duration or the time frame we would like to have a look at the news coming up and all. Which type of news would we want to have a look at? High impact news, because they come with a certain level of volatility. Okay, so you select high impact like this. Which countries or currencies would I want to have a look at? So I come here, I click on all countries, but I select US, Australia, Canada, your Euro area, Japan, New Zealand, Switzerland, and UK. Okay, now we have selected these news these are the news coming up in the coming week. Okay, so if you're a trader, you pay a very close attention to this type of news. Okay, so on the 13th, we have Japan news coming from Japan and all their high impact, so you need to be careful when trading them. Australia, that's on Monday. Australia news coming from Westpac consumer industrial production for the Euro area. But interesting news, or news that we would like us to pay attention to, is core inflation rate news. Okay, or that's inflation or CPI news coming up, or inflation rates. Okay, news coming up. We have YOY, simply means year on year. MOM is month on month. Okay, so last month, inflation in the US news coming up on the 15th. Okay, 12:30 GMT. Okay, it's a high impact news. We have Canada inflation news, GBP, or from the UK we have inflation news as well coming up. So honestly speaking, we have a lot of inflation news coming up in a week, and we see that for US, GBP, Canada. For me, I would like us to have a look at GBPUSD. Okay, because we have inflation news coming from United Kingdom, which is going to affect the GBP pairs, and also inflation from the US, which is also going to affect the USD pairs. Okay, so now looking at this, I would like to have a look at GBPUSD as a currency pair that I would like to trade. But you can have a look at any other pair of the US pairs like USD/JPY, USD/CAD, and all of that. But in this video, I would like us to just have a look at GBP USD. Okay. Now, from technical analysis point of view, now that we have a fair idea of the news coming up, their impacts, and the ones we want to trade, I said I would like us to trade GBP USD. And as you can see here, there's a 4-hour chart. So we are going to analyze the market and make trading decisions from there. Okay. So GBPUSD. Now, before I even continue, if you want to also access trading signals from your MT5, when you log in, you come to news. Okay, click on news like this. Then scroll up, you will see a lot of news here popping up almost every time. Okay, it's real time. Since we are going to be looking at GBPUSD, let's look at how, the signals that came up last week. Okay, so we click on it, and then the signal will pop up with the directions on all. So as you can see here, it tells you the high chances price will keep going up, and these are like the take profit, stop loss, and all the key levels. Okay, you can read more about it. But the interesting thing is the company that is providing the signal was, established or has been in existence since 1999. Okay, all right. So let's get into it. Okay, now GBPUSD, like I said, if you look at this closely, it's been in an uptrend for some time now. I think for almost 2 months now, and it's now diving down a bit. So let's have a look at it. If we are choosing this as a reference point where the uptrend move started, this is it. Okay. Okay, so if you look at it closely, you realize that the uptrend move started from here, and then price started coming down again, pulled back a little bit, and it got rejected by this uptrend line. Okay, then price went up again and is currently hovering around the uptrend line. Okay, so if you are a trader looking out for buy opportunities in GBPUSD, you can wait. If this price gets fully rejected by the uptrend line, it tells you that there are high chances price is going to go up. Okay, now if the candlestick or the price as is now hovering around the uptrend line breaks this uptrend line to the downside, it tells you there are high chances price will keep going down. Okay, so this is a key level that you need to pay attention to. Now, in all of these, ensure that there are proper risk management measures in place. Okay, when I say proper risk management, I'm referring to your stop loss, your take profits, your lot sizing, and leverage and all of that. Okay, but most importantly, when we have the chart like this, and I'm talking about risk management, I'm referring to your stop loss, take profits. Okay, now let's have a look at BTCUSD. Okay, Bitcoin. Last week, Bitcoin had its all-time high again. It already had its all-time high around 111,000 thereabouts, and then this time around it moved up to 17,000. Okay, so if you watch our previous video, we showed you how to take advantage of some of these opportunities. Okay, now currently the new highest price, okay, or the new high of BTCUSD is 118,874. Okay, that's $118,000, 874, and the previous high is currently 7 as the previous all-time high is currently 7 as the support. Okay, so this is it. The support is 111926. Okay, now if you look at this closely, the opportunity here is if you are a trader looking out for a buy opportunity, okay, outside the range, because if you look at this, we have the highest price, which is the resistance, the lowest, which is the support. If you're looking out for a buy opportunity outside the range, then you wait for this resistance to get broken, and when it gets broken, it tells you the high chances price to keep going up. Okay, now if you're looking out for a sell opportunity within the range, you wait for price to get rejected, maybe can go up again, get rejected by the resistance to the downside, then you can place a sell trade. If you're also looking out for a buy opportunity within the range, okay, then what you have to do is you need to wait for price to come down here, okay, come back to the support and get rejected by the support. There you can place a buy trade, and then ensure you have all your proper risk management measures in place. Then again, if you're also looking out for a sell opportunity outside the range, okay, you can wait for the candlestick or the price to break the support to the downside, then you place your sell trade. Okay, so with this, when the market is ranging, you can choose to trade within the range, or you can choose to trade outside the range, and I've shared with you how to trade if you want to trade within the range or you want to trade outside the range. Now let's look at US oil. Okay, so now with US oil, as we all can see here, you can see that price is currently approaching its immediate resistance. But before we even delve more into that, last week I shared with you that price has been in an uptrend for some time now. Okay, and then these were serving as the supports. Okay, first this was the first one, and then second, and then third, and then fourth, and then price got rejected again on the fifth. Okay, so you can see that there was some support preventing the price from going down. Okay, now looking at all these rejections, okay, and look at where the price is heading towards, the current challenge here is this point. Okay, currently serving as the current resistance. Okay, let me open that. Serving as the current resistance. Now if this resistance is broken here, and as you can see the price approaching this, if this resistance is broken to the upside, it tells you that the high chance price will keep going up. But if this resistance rejects the price, okay, rejects the current oil price, it tells you that there are chances price will keep coming down, and then you expect this uptrend line to reject the price again. Or if the uptrend line is broken to the downside, it tells you that high chances price will keep going down. Okay, now let's have a good look at gold. Okay, now if you look at gold closely, let me maximize it a bit. Okay, okay, if you look at gold closely like this, a moment, look at it closely like this. Okay, now look at this. This has been the current resistance. Okay, if you look at this carefully, okay, so price got rejected here, was up, but it got rejected here, and currently we have price approaching, or basically has gotten rejected by the resistance now. Okay, as you can see here. Okay, but price is still below the resistance. Now if you are looking out for a buy opportunity, okay, you wait for this resistance to get broken by the the price. Okay, if it breaks the resistance, it tells you that high chances price will keep going up. Okay, but if this resistance rejects the price, then it tells you that there are high chances price will keep going down. Okay, now in all of these, everything that I've shared so far, please ensure that you have proper risk management measures in place. Okay, and protect your accounts, make more profits. Let's meet next week and discuss more about trading. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.